Nice. Your Weekend Gardener here. What's going on, everyone? What I got going on out here is I have tree services out here, and this tree came down the other day. He was like, hey man, when do you think you're gonna cut that down? He said, because I'm worried. And I said, I'm worried too.
Yeah, real lucky.
Yeah, I got real lucky.
Especially with that roof up there.
That's a brand new roof too. Okay, yeah. Send them young folks up there. That's a good saw. That's a good saw. Yeah. But what I'm doing is I'm taking down trees in my yard that are dead or dying or just in a precarious position that I feel as though they're going to fall on another tree. So far on this land, I removed about 25 trees off this property. And what I am doing is I am replacing these trees with fruit trees. I'd rather have fruit than acorn trees. Can't eat acorns. At least I don't think you can. But this is the aftermath of the other day. Went ahead and stacked everything up to try to make it look a little neater. At the end of the season, I went ahead and put my pomegranate right here. I got a pear tree up front. Over here, I have a cherry tree. On the other side, I have a golden nectar plum, 2 Indian blood peach trees. That right there is a red haven. That's another pear tree. And I got my figs right here. So in the front, once all this is clear, I do want to put a fruit tree here. I'm not sure which one, maybe a plum. And then I want to put over here 1, 2, 3 fruit trees. Not sure what type, but I'm gonna take you around back and show you what I have so far. I think I have about 31 fruit trees, excluding citrus, on the property. So in the back, I have some fruit trees that are in pots that I do want to move into ground. I want to create a food forest. So here are the trees I have sitting and waiting. I wasn't planning on moving these into ground until next year, but if I can clear some of this mess back here, then I will put the trees possibly over there. But if the trees are all over the property, I'm fine with that. Because half of these big tall trees are really dying, and like I said earlier, dying or almost dead. This tree that they're about to cut down today is completely dead. Limbs been falling for the longest. Probably the last 2 years, limbs just start falling off. So it has to go. And like I said, in this place, one of these are gonna go. So one goes, one stays. That way he can lower it down. Yeah. You said that's for what?
That's good stuff.
Yes, sir. And that doesn't have poison ivy on it. Oh, man, right here got me real good. I don't even know how I got there. That makes 13 times I had poison ivy since I've been here. Yeah, I'm almost immune to it. Yeah. See, that's way better than letting it fall. So what I have over here is I have 3 apple trees, peach tree, 2 plums, 2 persimmons, and 2 more apples. Granny Smith, Pink Lady, Gala, and a Delicious. The peach is a contender. The plums are gold plums. And I do have a few more that I want to order online. When it's all said and done, I probably will want about 70 fruit trees on this property. This is my bonsai patio peach. I want that out of the pot. It's been there for 4 years. This is my white pomegranate. That has to come out. When I first bought this tree, it's way taller than that. It's not doing well in the pot. And then over here I have my This is a Russian pomegranate that I bought last year. It did leaf out, but I do want to put it in the ground this year. Not sure where. And then over here by the wood pile, I planted a plum tree the other day that was in a pot for like the last 3 years. I took it out, said it's going to stretch its legs. I'm hoping that while it was in the process of budding and me removing and replanting, I'm hoping that I didn't stunt anything. And if I get fruit, I'll be happy. Nice. Woo!
Oh! I know.
It's no good? No good? Yeah, you see how it broke when it hit the ground? I gotta go see what it looks like. Pure dead. This thing's gone. Wow. Tree was really dead. It's gonna be in the fireplace.